Hello, welcome to Tech Group. Today's episode, I will share with you how to do design on Canva. If you've not used Canva before, this video will help you to start designing on Canva. Okay, if you're using your system, download the software called Canva or even on your mobile phone. As it works here, that is the way it will work on your mobile phone. After downloading, by this time, it's downloaded and register. So here, we open. If you've not used Canva before, Canva is a software that's easy to use for any graphic design that you want to do. See, for flyers, for video, for reels, you can use Canva and do anything you want. Okay, let's wait the network here slow. Okay, they're back. So when you log into your Canva, this search column here, you choose on what you want to design. For instance, let's say what we use, restaurant flyer. Okay, restaurant flyer. Search restaurant grand opening flyers. Okay, let's just go with this. All right, here we are. These are already designed flyers that you can use and we edit them to your taste. Note, they are free and they're also pro version of Canva. Okay, if you check most of the flyers, you see a sign of a crown, a yellow crown. You can see here with a pro on the side. That's the sign that those flyers or those designs are for pro versions. Okay, remember we search restaurant grand opening flyers template. So let's check for flyer that we can use for this tutorial. Okay, the network is bad. Okay, let's go with let me find one that we can start with. Okay, let's check with this. Once you click, it will show you customize this template. While customizing, you'll be able to change the color, the graphics, the text, the font, you'll be able to change them. Okay, so let's click on customize this template. Remember, you can search for anything you want. It could be a happy woman, a mother carrying a baby, anything you search, there will be something related to that that will come up for you to use for designs. So, grand opening. If you want to edit the text, you double click. If you're using your system, you're using mouse, you double click on the text. If you're using your smartphone, you can also double click on it. So let's go with this 1, 2, 3, anywhere street, any city. So double click, you can say number 5, Old Road. Okay, now you change the location. So even the time, you double click. Instead of 7, you said 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, if you want to change the website, you said tech, tech.com. Tech.com. So it changes. So here you can change anything you want. You can remove. Have you seen it? You can drag it and remove anything you want. Okay. So after everything, see there are other templates here. This one for church, the annual church conference. You can see there are also this one for saloon. So you just click on it, edit it to your own taste. Let's go with this digital marketing agency. All right, thank you for joining our tutorial. Do well to give us a like, follow, and share. See you on our next tutorial.